Top 10 OSHA violations of 2021 and how to avoid them. Employee health and safety are always top of mind at CMS Safety Management. This video examines the 10 most common OSHA violations of 2021 and how to avoid making the same mistakes in 2022. OSHA publishes a list of the 10 most frequently cited health and safety violations each year. Over the past year, federal OSHA personnel have conducted more than 30,000 workplace inspections. OSHA regulations are intended to protect workers from such hazards. Yet, we continue to see tragic and often preventable accidents that can drastically change or even end the lives of workers each year. Here is the list of the top 10 OSHA citations and some insight into how you can prevent these accidents from occurring at your worksite. Fall protection. Falling from heights is among the leading causes of worker fatalities and injuries. Most falls occur due to a lack of simple fall protection, such as floor hole covers, guardrails, and toe boards for open-sided elevated platforms, safety harnesses and lines, nets, or handrails. These actions protect workers from falls, but only if employers take them seriously. Respiratory protection. Even though respiratory protection is an essential component of preventing long-term, even fatal, health problems from exposure to asbestos, silica, or other toxic substances, we still see citations for employers who fail to provide their employees with the needed protection. Ladders. There are many factors that affect ladder safety, including loads, angles, rungs, slipping, and usage. In many cases, ladders are used incorrectly, which leads to citations and injuries. Be sure you are in compliance with OSHA ladder guidelines. Scaffolding. OSHA provides specific instruction on how to improve the safety of both suspended and narrow frame scaffolds. Following guidance on construction, use, load, and minimizing hazards can help to reduce the number of incidents associated with scaffolding. Hazard communication. Having hazard communication issues can lead to accidents on the job site. Lockout and tagout. Every year, far too many workers are killed or injured by machinery that suddenly begins operating while being repaired, or as a result of their hands or fingers being exposed to moving parts. Using lockout-tagout procedures ensure that equipment is powered off and cannot be started while someone is working on it. Fall protection, training requirements. Employees must receive training on preventing falls so that they can stay safe from injury. It is important to keep this citation in mind as it is joining the top 10 for the first time. For your team's safety, make fall protection training a priority. Face and eye protection, personal protective and life-saving equipment. A simple goal should be to wear the appropriate equipment. It is possible to save lives by using the right equipment, as well as your employees' sight. Ensure they have the right equipment to perform their jobs safely. Powered industrial trucks. Forklifts are notoriously dangerous. The number of fatalities associated with these trucks shows that workers are not being properly trained to safely drive these machines. Machine guarding. Machine guarding violations are often to blame for deaths and injuries from lack of protection. This is a great concern, because by simply installing guards to keep hands, feet and other appendages away from moving machinery, it prevents amputations and worse. For more tips on how to keep your team safe and happy this year, connect with CMS Safety Management today.